you already know it's Charms Lifestyle.
And we are in Monaco from at McDonald's.
Yeah.
Taking the adults for a cafe.
I like that.
Today is a good.
Hi,
Today
babe.
is a good day. Today is a good day. And peace and Mexico. Hello from Mexico.
No, we are in Monaco. At the McDo having,
Yeah, but
is it breakfast or lunch? I don't know.
it's lunch. But instead. Have a great time. Subscribe for our YouTubers.
I don't want to be.
Why? No. Come on.
Hi. From Philippines.
Say, tell us about yourself.
I'm Philippines, but I born in France.
This is the same.
Hi, we're in the McDo.
What is it?
Reggie, what is that?
Unroll.
Reggie, what is
Okay.
that? Yeah, I like sugar.
No.
Yeah.
I like sugar.
Slow this up.
Thank you for the sugar. I like it.
At one time, I wanted
It's down,
I'm eating sugar.
but you're gonna have that.
But we have the burger later, but I just want to take a little bit of sugar in mine. One pang sugar. We have the burger, but I can't wait for So we are here with our very best friend in Monaco. That's
Why?
why.
Because in Monaco, we only eat fast food.
Oh.
Okay.
See, he only eats fancy food in Monaco. So, he's at one of his fancy things of eating, McDo.
Yeah.
No,
Ta-da! The tree.
he's shy.
Yes.
He's shy of the camera.
I know. Okay.
Then why you're hiding your mouth?
That's all.
It's privacy.
Seriously.
Yeah. That way, they will not see him.
They will not know.
They will not know you. You don't want them to know you.
No? Okay.
It's your rights.
Kung hindi siya nila.
You'll see your face.
Yeah. Like that.
He will view your face and he will not recognize you.
Wait, don't touch it. Don't
Princess, no.
It's
Mga wazang.
I prefer the
Wazong.
there's no person. The one that was left a while ago.
This is charming, the real charming, not the fake one. The real charming, not the fake one.
But he got glasses is the fake one. Yeah.
Food is down there. So
You come here.
You sit there if you don't want.
It's coming.
This is mine.
thank you.
See, double cheese is that. That is tatas. There's no more? Hamburger is ano? I ordered for coq monsieur. Yeah, it's for you.
For fries.
This is a coq monsieur for you.
I call it nuggets.
Oh, where's the long one?
Maybe she's coming.
There's no more?
Oh yes, here.
There you go. This is free and 53.
So which of this is mine?
No, this one is yours. This
Oh.
little is
I
mine.
have a toy.
This is this is
I
Liam.
have a toy. You see?
That is Liam's.
Ta-da.
This is Luke.
So I'm putting my marker.
Plain cheeseburger. This is mine. No, this is Papa. And where are the rest?
I don't like the fries. It's cold.
Where are them?
I'm not enjoying the fries at all. It's cold. I love to eat my fries hot. Wow, look at this.
Yummy.
Where's the ice cream?
Is it this? Apple. Princess is having her meal. Look at the princess.
I gave it. I don't
It's right there. Before the burger, it's when you look at it. It's when you look at the burger on the display board. It's so big. Look at this. It's so small. I'm eating hamburger. But I'm not enjoying the fries because they serve it cold. I don't like the fries when it's cold. But I'm gonna try and eat it. Maybe they will serve that one last because it will be dirty. Okay, everyone find out. Go and find out why
Yes.
Are you enjoying yourself?
Yeah.